Welcome to the Unravel View channel, exploring the wonders of our world and beyond. You need to watch this if you struggle with belly fat. Belly fat. It's a common worry for many people around the world. Whether you're young or old, fit or not, this issue can affect anyone. It can make us feel self-conscious and impact our confidence. We often find ourselves scrutinizing our reflections, wishing for a flatter stomach. But it's more than just looks. The concern goes deeper than aesthetics. It's about our health and well-being. Belly fat is linked to some serious health risks. It's not just about fitting into your favorite jeans. It's about staying healthy and avoiding life-threatening conditions. It's important to tackle this problem head-on. Regular exercise and a balanced diet are key strategies in managing belly fat. We all store fat differently. Some people might notice it more around their waist, while others might see it in different areas. Some people gain weight in their hips. This is often due to genetic factors and body type. Others might see it in their thighs. Each body is unique, and fat distribution varies from person to person. But belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is particularly dangerous. Unlike subcutaneous fat, which lies just under the skin, visceral fat is stored deep inside the abdomen. This type of fat sits deep inside the abdomen. It wraps around vital organs like the liver, pancreas, and intestines. It surrounds our vital organs, making it more harmful than fat stored in other areas of the body. Excess belly fat triggers inflammation. This chronic inflammation can lead to a host of other health issues. This can lead to insulin resistance. When our cells become resistant to insulin, it becomes difficult for our bodies to manage blood sugar levels. This means our bodies can't use insulin effectively. Insulin is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar. Without proper insulin function, blood sugar levels can spike, leading to serious health problems. When our bodies can't use insulin properly, it can lead to type 2 diabetes. Managing belly fat is not just about appearance, it's about maintaining overall health and preventing chronic diseases. Let's talk solutions. You've heard it before, a healthy diet and regular exercise are the cornerstones of a vibrant life. But what does that really mean for you? A healthy diet and regular exercise are key. It's not just about losing weight or looking good, it's about feeling your best and living a long, fulfilling life. It's the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. When you nourish your body with the right foods and keep it active, you're setting yourself up for success in all areas of life. And yes, it's true. You can't outrun a bad diet. No matter how much you exercise, if you're fueling your body with junk, you're not going to see the results you want. Start by cleaning up your eating habits. Go through your kitchen and get rid of processed foods, sugary snacks, and anything that doesn't contribute to your health. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. These are foods that are as close to their natural state as possible, like fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are your allies. They provide the essential nutrients your body needs to function at its best. These foods provide essential nutrients. Vitamins, minerals, fiber, and healthy fats all play a role in keeping you healthy and energized. They also help you feel fuller for longer. When you eat nutrient-dense foods, you're less likely to overeat and more likely to maintain a healthy weight. Exercise is the other side of the coin. It's not just about burning calories. It's about building strength, improving your mood, and boosting your overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This can include activities like brisk walking, cycling, or even dancing. Think brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Find activities you enjoy. When you enjoy what you're doing, it doesn't feel like a chore, and you're more likely to stick with it. This will make it easier to stick to your routine. Consistency is key, and finding joy in your activities will help you stay committed to your health and fitness goals. Now let's talk about a natural aid ginger tea. Ginger has been used for centuries. It's known for its medicinal properties. One of its key benefits, it aids digestion. Ginger stimulates the production of digestive juices. This helps break down food more efficiently. It also helps move food through the digestive system. This prevents bloating and constipation. But that's not all. Ginger can also help control appetite. It does this by increasing feelings of fullness. This can prevent overeating. Drinking ginger tea before meals can make you feel more satisfied. This can help you eat less overall. Stress, it's a part of life. But chronic stress can wreak havoc on our bodies. It can even lead to weight gain, especially belly fat. This is where cortisol comes in. Cortisol is a hormone. It's released in response to stress. When we're constantly stressed, our cortisol levels stay elevated. This can lead to increased belly fat storage. Ginger has been shown to help regulate cortisol levels. By reducing cortisol, ginger can help prevent stress-induced belly fat gain. So, sipping on ginger tea can be a relaxing ritual. It can also help combat the negative effects of stress on your waistline. Section 5. Beyond the belly, more ginger tea perks. Ginger tea's benefits go beyond belly fat reduction. While many people know it as a great aid for digestion and weight loss, its advantages extend far beyond that. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. From boosting your immune system to enhancing brain function, ginger tea is a versatile beverage that can improve your overall well-being. Let's explore some of its other impressive properties. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties. This means it can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which is crucial for maintaining good health. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By incorporating ginger tea into your daily routine, you can help mitigate these risks. This can be particularly beneficial for people with conditions like arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can help alleviate the pain and discomfort associated with this condition. It can also help reduce muscle soreness after exercise. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts can benefit from drinking ginger tea to speed up recovery and reduce muscle pain. This wonder root can also boost your immune system. Ginger contains antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. They help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells. By drinking ginger tea, you can help protect your cells from this damage and promote overall health. Ginger can even improve brain function. Studies suggest that ginger may enhance memory and cognitive performance, making it a great addition to your daily routine. Whether you're a student looking to boost your memory or an elderly person wanting to keep your mind sharp, ginger tea can be beneficial for you. So, sipping on ginger tea can be good for both your body and your mind. It's a simple, delicious way to enhance your health and well-being. If you found this information helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. Section 6. Brew your way to a flatter tummy. A simple ginger tea recipe. Ready to experience the benefits of ginger tea? It's incredibly easy to make. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root, 4 cups of water, honey or lemon to taste, optional. Instructions: 1. Wash and peel the ginger root. Slice it thinly. 2. Add the ginger slices to a pot with the water. 3. Bring the water to a boil. 4. Reduce heat and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. 5. Strain the tea into a cup. 6. Add honey or lemon to taste if desired. Section 7. Timing is key. When to enjoy your ginger tea. So when should you drink ginger tea for maximum benefits? Here are a few suggestions. Morning boost. Start your day with a cup of ginger tea. It can help kickstart your metabolism and aid digestion. Pre-workout energy. Drink ginger tea 30 minutes before your workout. It can provide an energy boost and reduce inflammation. Post-meal aid. Sip on ginger tea after meals to aid digestion and prevent bloating. Relaxing evening ritual. Enjoy a cup of ginger tea before bed to promote relaxation and sleep. Section 8. Embrace the ginger zing. Your journey to a healthier you. Incorporating ginger tea into your routine can be a simple yet powerful step. It can improve your health and well-being. Remember, it's not a magic bullet. Combine ginger tea with a balanced diet and regular exercise. This holistic approach can lead to sustainable results. Embrace the journey to a healthier you. Start by brewing a cup of ginger tea today. Cheers to a flatter tummy and a healthier you.